Have you ever seen a real Eldorado? Gold treasure chest, man, a real Eldorado. 24 thrones of the real Eldorado. After tried, looking like it's time to spark this, blaze it right up. Big up Cash Capri, Denver Black Hustle, yo, the whole of the big spliff gang. IYAHGIFT says 876 Music.
You don't know this shit. Welcome to 876 Music. We have IYAHGIFT today, you see me? Yeah man, IYAHGIFT, wagwan man.
Yo, everything bless the family. I say greetings I bring you in that divine name of His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile Selassie I and Her Majesty, Empress Mene. 876 Music, IYAHGIFT in the building, it's good to be here.
Yes man, I'm man as man, IYAHGIFT. So IYAHGIFT, how the I get the name there? IYAHGIFT.
Give thanks to brother. Well, you know my father is a Jamaican man from Portland.
Yes.
And he went to Nigeria where he met my mother, who is a Yoruba woman from Nigeria.
Yes.
I saw IYAHGIFT manifest and I was born in Nigeria under the stars there. And the priest them, you know, in the tradition, them look on the stars and give you a name.
Yes.
So they gave me the name Oluseun.
Oluseun.
Yes, sir. Yes. And the translation of that, some would say, is the gift of Oluwa, or some would even say God's gift.
Yes.
So my elders used to call me IYAHGIFT.
Yeah.
You know, and over time, my brethren them start calling me IYAHGIFT, and that really stuck. Yes, sir.
For real, man, for real. A real IYAHGIFT.
It's
Cool, man. So, the genre music, vast, but the first choice is hip hop.
Yes, I would definitely say hip hop, and I'd like to say it's a fusion of reggae and hip hop.
Right.
And
fusion of reggae and hip hop.
And as we all know, big up the First Coast, hip hop music really came forth from the reggae. Same way dancehall, tradition, sound system
Movement. Yes, for real.
So it's really one foundation, one African mystic.
Yes. Cool man. When I'm there, what the recent project you work on right now? Guys,
have you ever seen the real Eldorado? Gold treasure chest, man, a real Eldorado.
Straight.
So big up the whole of Harborview.
Yes.
Yeah. Right now we're on
Eldorado.
This is my living space now, Dorado Drive. And that really inspired the song Eldorado. They'll tell you about the city of gold from back in them time there when the Spanish that look for it and the indigenous people. And even when I start researching, I hear said there was a king that used to dress up in a gold himself. It was him they were looking for, that his name was Eldorado. So that inspired the recent song. Look out for the music video on IYAHGIFT Music on YouTube. Produced by Supernova. Large up the whole of Dub School family.
Big them up, you see me? Recently you get #1 on Reverb Nation, right?
Yes, my brother.
Yes. And it was a catalog or featuring that song, Eldorado.
Well, it's really the catalog that you have on Reverb Nation.
Yes.
But I recently added Eldorado to the platform. And it seemed that song really helped to propel the numbers and
the rankings.
Yeah, give thanks for tapping at the charts, all the support from the family and the eyes them out there listening to the music, watching the views, them watching the videos. That's really pushing IYAHGIFT up to these top spots. And we just want to represent the thing to the fullest, linking up with the greatest and keep pushing the thing because there is no limit.
No limit. Tell me a few of the stage show them where you perform on.
Yeah, give thanks to Dub School once again because they recently featured I.
Yes.
And we've been getting some of the tourist links them, Montego Bay hotels them, Rose Hall. Sometimes when them bring in some big DJs, them some local performers. So give thanks for the tourist board and them links the same way.
Straight. Oh yeah, big up to the pay attention crew. You see me?
It's up the original family.
Yes, man.
5-star, the Celestial, Kabaka Pyramid, 5 Steves. You don't know. TS, no BS, strictly BX.
Yes, man. Straight up. A good energies we build. Good energies we build. You see me?
I feel like the movement has become like a family now. It's been so long.
Yes.
We've been working together. We've been looking out for each other. So I just give thanks for the whole movement. Big up Pay Attention, because that's really where Pay Attention really helped to propel IYAHGIFT.
Yes.
Right here, so in
A couple of the other people like myself at 876MUZIK. 876 hip hop on a big up on yourself, you see me? Don't know the things yet, you see me? Yes, man. So, you want to share with me a couple of the producers them where you work with, as you said not too long, you work with like Supernova. Yeah.
And really started when I first got returned from DC to Jamaica. McCone and Blake Anna. The Space Age Rasta. Eyes up the whole family. Arsenal, the artillery. The Don is him. Don Rasta. NRG, the new reggae generation. So the family just goes so and embrace me.
Yes,
McCone produced my first album. Blazing Fire with Kabaka Pyramid.
Yes.
That is produced by McCone mixed with Natural High. So we've been working with the greats in Jamaica, and really appreciate it. Feel blessed that I've had these opportunities and inspired now to keep making more music and pushing it up more.
With more.
So McCone, Arsenal, like you said, those great producers that we work with. And also the foundational legends like Junior Reeves.
See, man, big up Junior Reeves.
Juju Blood, big up the One Blood family. They really embrace her, and I
because in some them the kind of rap and them things they want at the time, them still rap still. You see me, big them up, man. You see me, because coming up when I was high school, I did limited to hip hop in Jamaica. You see me? But like to me, like Cartel, him dressed like a rapper. But when him just a boss, you see me? I mean,
with the hat and them.
Vibes Cartel. Black Vibes Cartel.
With the Campbell hat.
And him jersey shirt, them, you see me? Yeah, man, a rapper. You see me? So, big up hip hop in Jamaica, you see me? Because as I said,
Notorious. As you mentioned, I think Notorious B.I.G. really helped to push a lot of that fashion statement. The whole movement there with Diddy and even Rockefeller them too. So like how you say rappers would dress that way there. That was that image that they had created.
Straight up.
But right now, sir, we are taking it to the real culture.
Yes. That's why I say not too long say. Message in the music, you see me? We make good music with lessons we teach with the music, music are the tool,
Absolutely.
Yes, definitely. So right now, as I say, El Dorado out there, I'll kick up a star and think. How it feel in a sense? I'm gonna ask the question still. Look up a tune with the Grammy nominated artist Kabaka Pyramid, you see me? At 2023 he'll get nominated and he'll get the Grammy. But you've been working with Kabaka before.
Give thanks.
You see me?
We've really been working with Kabaka since the Rastafari Youth Initiative Council. He's a youth who used to volunteer and come out in the streets and do a lot of positive work. So, like I said, when me and McCone were working on the album and we had a little home-based studio and we were in communication with him, we just said, yo, can we do a song with you, my brother? We'd love if you come here and drop a verse on this song as a matter of fact, And he was like, yeah man, no problem. And he came through Abby and Dwayne, Baby Rock family large up himself.
Yeah man, Baby Rock, big up on yourself for real.
Blazing Fire, we put down the tune there. And big up man like Jason Hammer, who I met at the Jamaica Music Conference. And now he has lead out productions out here in Jamaica doing big things.
Right.
So he heard the song and said, yo, we should shoot a video. So we went out in Standpipe, big up the Standpipe family.
Yes man,
and shot the video then. So Blazing Fire, large of Kabaka Pyramid, the whole movie.
So, what do people then look out for in the future for from IYAHGIFT?
Yes, my brother. So definitely look out for a few new singles from this EP, El Dorado EP. We have a song called Star the East. That one is coming up next.
Star the East.
Yes, my brother.
Yes, man. Because really and truly, I go on the Reverb Nation and then check out a couple of the songs them already, you see me? And yeah man, them shot, you see me? So the viewers them, wanna check out what go on, you see me? All I link them are there in the description, you see me? Think up on yourself, you see me? So, anybody who you want to big up and give some shout outs to family, you see me?
Absolutely.
Musical, you see me, co-worker, you see me?
Yeah, man. Wow, big up my little girl. You see me?
Big up your
my princess right away, you know?
yes.
Big up mama same way that she's respecting me, you know, and big up the Empress, the family, the foundation of the whole thing. I want to say big up the Association of Rastafari Creatives.
Right.
Yeah, because right now we have some Rastas out there we're saying there was Rastas in creative. Not just music, farmers, engineers.
Yes.
We have to start link up and raise with one another. So that wasn't teaching of Marcus. That was the teachings of Emperor Haile Selassie.
For real, man, for real. Yeah. You know, more time when you pass on the road, even if you say you drive past and you see me, you see a next Rasta person and it's like a good energy for the person heal you and you for share about the healings, you see me? So definitely it's a powerful thing when you just said this a while ago. We, you know, with different faculties and skill areas, you see me? We must link up and make Rastafari stand stronger, you see me?
Absolutely.
Yes, definitely.
For the sake of the whole nation. Because
Yes.
there's no division, you know, it's oneness.
One straight.
Yes, sir. So big up the Association of Rastafari Creatives. Also big up International Stars. That's a networking group I've been working with. They've been linking me up with radio stations in Africa, producers in Africa, artists in Africa. So yeah, big up International Stars 254. Right.
International Stars 254.
So them go.
Big up for the self heights, you see me? More life, more prosperity, you see me? Yes. Same thing as we want to say for them. So.
Yeah, and always we have to just give thanks to the Most High for the blessings, for life, health, and strength, you know, and just keep it clean, firm in the meditation, willpower in a damn time. You know. And just as we were saying a while ago, you know, if Madison did actually teach that we should use the technology.
Yes.
Time, yeah.
Just like I'm saying, the radio, the telephone, back in idea, you know. Him say all of those things bring us closer together. So when the need to fight, you see me? When the need for just run well left each other, we just need to come together and do the right thing. So that way I preach, you see me? That way I teach, you know? Yes, man.
Yes, brother. For all my teachers out there, you know, let's work it out. You see me? Because education is so important for the youths them right now in this time. You know, and as you was reasoning, I was thinking about in an ancient times, you know, when the man them never have them kind of thing there. They made sure to write it down on the wall.
Right. So therefore the knowledge can be passed on regardless if you can decipher it right away. But over time you will decipher it and realize say, oh, that was knowledge hidden for me. You see me by my forefathers, you see me? You know? Right. Yes, sir.
It's not just written on the wall, it's written inside of you. In your heart. You know what I mean?
For real,
In the dreams. So I just want to say, IYAHGIFT say love and life every time, you know. And just pleasure. 876 music, you know. Keep building, keep sharing, keep living, keep loving.
Straight up.
Right.
Manners are respected at IYAHGIFT, you see me?
Blessings.
Manners.
Yo.
Cool on, man.
Brother. You are the real Eldorado. Alright, so have you ever seen a real Eldorado? This it, him are the real Eldorado. 876 him are the real Eldorado. Once again, me are the real Eldorado. Yo, no time for gazing. Life too amazing. Gift of the sacred. Mind you misplace it. Had a good look at the earth from a spaceship. She shine when she spin them and the waters I taste it. I don't hesitate, kid was mine, I'ma take it. Traumatic mind state, trying to liberate it. Grades of the ancient, built up a nation. One bag of lies they've been telling every day, son. Unjust men, I just can't trust them. Locked in a bubble and it's trouble all over again. Unjust men, just can't trust them. Locked in a bubble and it's trouble. Whoa. Have you ever seen a real Eldorado? Gold treasure chest, man, a real Eldorado. 24 thrones are the real Eldorado. Happy tried home with my real Eldorado. Do you say that the real Eldorado? 876 music every time. Iyah, the gifted. Salute.
This was funny.
See the audio.
But
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the thing that we out to the man.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, man, yeah, we out to it. Okay.